What are Cryptokitties? Do you care? Yes, you do. Let me tell you why. Cryptokitties are the world's first crypto collectibles, a game on the Etherium Blockchain developed by Axiom and Zen in 2018 that allows players to purchase, collect, breed, and sell digital cats. I myself own several of these magnificent creatures. I am joined by the scientist.
Oh, hello, I am scientist. I don't think that I am the right person to talk about this, but I will do my best. Let me put this down there. Okay.
Thank you for joining me. Do you own any of these digital creatures?
No, I don't know why anyone would buy a cat at all.
Oh, well, thank you for joining me anyways. What is a Cryptokitty?
Well, now this is very exciting. And Cryptokitty is a unique, unchangeable digital entity with a 256-bit genetic signature, each with its own unique different attributes and DNA.
Yes, in essence, it is as unique as any physical animal.
No, it is not that complicated. But just like the real animals do, you can put two kitties together, each with their own genetic signature complete with recessive genes, and then they get busy.
Oh, you mean they,
Oh yes, and then an egg is produced, just like the real cats.
Maybe you shouldn't own a cat after all.
And when the egg hatches, a new creature is born! A new unique DNA, a mix of the parents' genetic signatures! Isn't that exciting?
Truly incredible! Is there a limit to the original genetic animals?
Oh yes, Cryptokitties are broken up into generations. Generation 0 kitties are unique cats that have sprung into existence as part of the original code of the game. They have no parents, and as such their DNA is unmixed with any other. There are only 50,000 of these cats in existence, and no more can ever be created either.
Let me get this straight. All of the cats on the platform are descendants of the original animals?
Oh yes. And while the original cats have the most potential genetic possibilities, the more exciting cats are several generations old.
Now, what do you mean by exciting?
Oh yes! Hidden in the genetic code are traits like dragon cats and Santa cats. But it takes very selective breeding to unlock those traits.
I myself have successfully bred a cat with antlers.
That's strange. Get help.
Yes. Well, why do people play this game?
Why, for money, of course. And fun, I suppose.
For money? Can you make money off of this?
Yes, they are collectibles just like the first Beanie Babies were. They aren't making any more of them, and they will only grow in value. Also, there is a KIttiverse being created. For example, there is a racetrack online where you can race your cats. A cat that you have bred that has wings or looks like a jaguar with racing stripes will be faster than a normal cat or a cat that looks like Santa.
Amazing! So you can sell studs just like in horse racing.
Yes, and you can put up your kitties for sire as well. So if someone wants to breed with your cat, they just pay you a stud fee, and then you get to keep your prize cat with you.
Now, how much are these cats worth?
Well, it does depend on the genes of the cat, and an old tired cat that is normal looking might only cost a few dollars, but the most expensive cat was sold for over $100,000.
Well, it looks like my time is up. If I had more time, I would tell you interesting facts about Cryptokitties like, in December of 2018, there were so many cats being bred and sold, it nearly crashed the entire Etherium blockchain. Now it's your turn. Do you think that Cryptokitties exist? Let me know in the comments what you think the next topic should be, and make sure you partake in our survey to let your voice be heard. Cheerio, what? Till next time, for destructive creativity, I am the narrator. I will include a link to my personal collection of digital Cryptokitties.
I don't know if I should pity you or envy you for owning these cats. I'm leaning towards pity.